Welcome back mga kahikaw. Yan, kahikaw kasi, ewan ko, lagi akong may pa-tassel earrings and all that. So, madaming friends ko na nagsasuggest ng ganong intro. Ang awkward ko pa din. So, never mind. Super duper thank you pala sa mga nag-subscribe sa akin. So, happy 100 subscribers! I never thought na I'll reach those number of subs in less than 30 days. And I'm so happy na meron palang manonood sa mga walang kwentang vlogs ko. Please keep on watching!
Before ko nga po palang makalimutan, I just wanna give a shout out to my magagandang dilag friends. Si Anja, si R, si KB, si Lyra, si Jennifer, si Danica, and si Joy. Wala na ba ako nakalimutan? Yon, so, hello girls. Ayan, nag-shout out na ako, huwag na kayong tatampo ha. Yun, tropang tot. Guys, hello. Kilala nyo na yung mga sarili nyo, hindi ko na kayo iisa-isahin because ang dami natin. Mapagod na ako. Shout out nga pala dun sa boyfriend ko. So, yun. And sa family ko, yan, Cabrera family, hello. And yung mga pinsan ko, hello. Ayan, kung gusto nyo ng shoutout, sige, mag-comment kayo. Tapos tatandaan ko yan para gagawin ko dun sa next vlog ko.
So, on to the business. So, right now, I'll be doing another unboxing video. And this time, hindi na siya bukas. As in, talagang sealed pa siya. And I'm very excited to share this with you. Especially na sobrang hype siya right now because Uncle Rick Riordan posted last time that Percy Jackson and the Olympians will be having a TV series on Disney+. Excited lang ako kasi I already read this book last month, I think. Yeah, I finished the series around April and the story is very good. If you are a fan of Greek myths, sobrang nakakatuwa siya. Basta nakakatuwa siya. I mean, yung movies wala talaga. So, yun. I have nothing against the movies. But kasi, movie, sobrang, ang layo niya pala talaga. Ngayon ko lang siya nabili. And this year lang ulit ako nagkaroon ng time para magbasa. Ano ba? Nabubulol. This is the item that I will be unboxing. I bought this set from Golden Reader. Please check it out. And so, as you can see, new edition siya. I don't have the first edition. Kasi wala talaga akong makita. May twist to. So, habang nag-unboxing, I will read quizzes from readriordan.com. I haven't answered anything from those quizzes. Doon sa which god are you from? Something like that. I got Aphrodite. Goddess of love, guys. We'll see if I will still get the same result. So, para hindi naman boring at magbubukas lang tayo ng box. Kasi I know you guys already know what's inside. So, piniprep ko muna yung sarili ko with the quiz. Don't worry, hindi ko nanduduga. Nagnanavigate lang ako kasi hindi ko alam kung ano ba to, paano ba to. Tit, ano ba to? Okay. So, hanap lang ako ng first quiz na we'll do before we open the box set. Hindi ko pa nababasa yung Kane Chronicles. I'm so sorry. Nasa Heroes of Olympus pa rin po ako. So, let's do the first quiz. What god are you descended from? Pa isa-isang questions, tas i-unwrap ko yung box. Let's do it. Okay, quiz. What god are you descended from? Again, si Aphrodite. Aphrodite yung nakuha ko, goddess of love. So, which of these is your favorite color? Wala, di ko na matandaan kung yung sinagot ko dito. Blue tayo, blue. So, before we proceed with the next question, buksan na natin siya. Ganda niya, actually, yung ganda niya. Kapag naka-flat lay, so super ganda niya. Kaya nagustuhan ko siya. I would still love to have the first edition kasi wala lang, ganda niya lang. Pero maybe I'll buy it soon. Will, sino bibili? Ako lang naman bumibili ng mga books para sa sarili. Wow, may huga. Bango. Sabihin ng mga nakasubscribe sa akin, ano ba to si ate? Baliw ba to? Kala ko formal-formalan siya. This time po, hindi ko ako formal-formalan kasi I don't have any sleep. And ayoko na mag-English kasi papagod na ako mag-English. So, ko na siya sa plastic. Next question na. Which of the following places do you prefer? Gusto ko lahat. I mean, except sa cemetery I mean, creepy yun. Ayoko na. Concert hall? Yeah, oo, may ligaw punta ng concert. Like, the beach. The beach. Okay, another question ulit before we proceed with the box set. Which of these foods is your go-to? Gusto ko lahat. Hindi kasi ako mapili sa pagkain. So, lahat nilalantakan. Sushi. Ayan. So, sabi nga dito, this includes a bonus poster of art by John Rocco. For this complete series, in case you haven't met Percy Jackson and the Olympians yet, so this includes the Lightning Thief, The Sea of Monsters, The Titan's Curse for the third book, The Battle of the Labyrinth, and The Last Olympian. And guys, super ganda talaga niya. As in, kapag nasimulan mo na yung series, hindi mo siya titigilan. Para siyang HP, pero syempre, I still love HP, but I also love this kasi ang ganda ng, basta ang ganda. Ganda. Kapag inopen or pag finlatlay mo siya, ganito itsura niya. Connected yung book covers, which is nice. Kinda unique for me. Ayun, open na natin. Ang dami kong daldal. So, ito yung The Lightning Thief. ASMR. Guys, if you want me to do a book ASMR, please comment down below. Okay, on to the next question. Which of these is your favorite pastime? Practicing archery. Okay, parang gusto ko siya matry or gusto ko siya maging favorite pastime. So, yun. And then, which of these is your favorite animal? I'll go with Chihuahua because they're cute. Yun. So, we only have 3 questions left. Okay, next book is Sea of Monsters. So, again, ayoko nang i-describe kung sino to. Yeah, actually, ang ganda nitong second book. Wala lang, natuwa lang ako sa story niya. I bought this, by the way, for 1.5 or 1.499 to be exact from the Bargain Reader. Okay din naman kay Fully Book bumili. The Bargain Reader, 1.499 plus shipping fee. They have this next day delivery. So, kapag pinurchase mo siya today, you'll get the item the next day. Okay, so next is The Titan's Curse. This is the third book. Naka-emboss, tama ba yung term ko? Yung name ni Percy Jackson, which is good. What do you guys think with these editions? Ano yung mas maganda? Ito ba? Or yung unang-una? Comment down below. So, what kind of music do you like best? I'll go with classical. Yan. Question number 7. Which one of these apps would you be most likely to use? Voice recorder. Hindi ba ako mag-record ng boses? Mahilig ako mag-record ng boses ko. Pero yeah, I really love to record my voice. Hindi ko rin alam bakit. Yun, so voice recorder. 2 questions left. Look for The Battle of the Labyrinth. Nung nakita ko tong labyrinth, wala lang ang nice lang kasi ito yung nag-visualize ko. Next question. What is your fatal flaw? Oh my god. Fatal flaw ko talaga is I can be moody. Like, just 1 question na lang. So, on to the 5th book. The last book, The Last Olympian. Yay! Ang ganda niya! Oh my God! Excited ako! This vlog is also a segue for me to promote the readathon that we'll be having next month. So this was organized by these people. Yan, sila po ang admin ng readathon for next month. You can actually join by using the hashtag PercyDathon. And you can also do book prompts na naka-include sa social media accounts nila. And also check their accounts. And then you can see kung ano yung tungkol saan yung book prompts. And that was explained by Kat or her bookish side. You can also watch her video about it. I'll be joining the readathon next month. That's why I bought this set. And super duper excited ako kasi binasa ko yung PJO using my Kindle. And iba pa rin kasi yung feeling when you read on a physical book. So, especially pag bago kasi mabango. Last question, which is your best quality? I'm creative. And ang nakuha ko ay, oh my God! Hindi na si Aphrodite yung nakuha ko. So, before ko i-reveal yung answer, I'll show you the poster. So, meron. Yay! Pag nagkaroon ako ng sariling bahay and sariling bookshelf, I'll post all my posters on the wall.
Pati yung mga Taylor Swift collections ko. So by the way guys, I'm a Swiftie. If you want to see my Taylor Swift collections, please comment down below and I can show you all my collection. Sobrang konti lang nun, pero for me it's a treasure na I have those merch. Sobrang
Yung poster, and I'll reveal my godly parent. So my godly parent is Poseidon. So ang sabi dito, your godly parent is Poseidon. Good work. Based on your responses, you have been claimed by Poseidon. Go ahead and make yourself at home in cabin 3. Train well, don't forget to brush your teeth occasionally and try not to get sent on a quest. They tend to shorten your lifespan. Your activities director, Chiron. Nice. I mean, this quiz is nice. Thank you so much for watching my another Wawenta vlog today. And ginawa ko lang talagang excuse yung unboxing video para ma-open ko na siya agad. Aside from the box set, the Bargain Reader also provided 2 cutie bookmarks. So confidential. So para siyang card, alam mo yan. Pag nag-read kayo ng PJO series next month, don't forget to use the hashtag PercyDathon. I hope you enjoy kayo by watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And if you have any suggestions on what you would want to see on my next vlog, please comment down below.